It's hard to find dessert products these days that doesn't have a bunch of ingredients that you can't pronounce. At A Cake Baked in Brooklyn, all the recipes are made from scratch, made from natural ingredients. They have eggs, butter, and you really get to taste all of those natural ingredients. Hi, my name is Laquana. I'm a cake decorator, sugar artist, and the owner of award-winning dessert company, A Cake Baked in Brooklyn. I was always helping people and supporting the community through social work, but it was not as rewarding as I hoped. Baking has been a passion for years, and I realized the perfect and best way for me to bring joy to others. Our mission is to heal and comfort others through baking. A Cake Baked in Brooklyn has over 15 signature products. All our products are made with 100% natural ingredients and all made from scratch. Our custom dessert art will recreate your exact inspiration through icing. We include decorations and displays that will bring your event to life. My great-grandmother used to make like this vanilla cake every Thanksgiving. It was like vanilla, and like before all these elaborate designs that they have now, she would just take like orange peels and like decorate the cake with them. It was just the best design ever. That was where I first got my inspiration. I'm crowdfunding on iFundWomen because I want to open up my own cake boutique where you can purchase my baked goods, but also A Cake Baked in Brooklyn will have baking classes, kind of like a family-orientated atmosphere. Even if your mom, no one taught your mom how to bake, you know, you and your mom could come and have a class and learn together. So it will be really social and hands-on and intimate to have this class. Support this campaign and help us bring back the joy through baking. I promise you it will be delicious.